My name's James Betts and I'm Operations Director at Parotec Solutions. We're a Bolton-based company who manufacture IT and case solutions for a range of industries including aerospace, IT, museums and hospitality. We've worked with Tao for approximately 2 years now. This began with blog articles and working on our SEO, and recently we tasked them with migrating our 3 existing websites into one streamlined website where we could offer e-commerce to our customers as well. The website went live very recently, and so far we've had fantastic feedback from our customers who really like the look and feel of how the new site looks. Not only did they migrate the site, but they changed the language and the intent to mean that we rank far higher in search engines, allowing us to do far more business both in the UK and overseas. Tao are different from other agencies we've worked with mainly because of the personal contact that we have. We can pick up the phone, we can come and see them, they will come and see us, and they're approachable whenever we want to see them. It was really important for me that we worked with an agency where we built a relationship and that it wasn't purely transactional, and that's exactly what we get with Tao, and we're looking forward to building on that relationship over the coming years.